Good morning, good morning, do 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 do. Good morning, good morning to you. Good morning, welcome to a daily dose of joy. We're starting our day together with intention. The intention to have a good day. Setting that intention to have a good day. Knowing that we create our reality by what we focus on, and that we are training our brains to seek out and find the joy, to focus on the good. We're releasing and letting go of that vigilant pattern and habit of always looking for danger and worry. It seems so silly, but it's stuff that gets wired in there. And the wonderful thing is we can rewire our brains. So we're building more joy into our life by leveraging neuroscience and using simple habits that actually increase the positive neurotransmitters in our brain and help us rewire the patterns of our brain to be seeking joy and looking for joy. We're doing it every day. Once a day, twice a day, multiple times a day, alone, together. It's all part of the fun. We are going to do this morning one of the simplest and sometimes one of the hardest tools or habits, the slow-mo flow. Moving into slow-mo. Because a lot of us live in our culture in a very fast-paced drive, and there's a lot of expansive dynamic energy in fast-paced things. What we really want is to be sure-footed, is to be able to move fast but agile, with accuracy and clarity and ease, joy, and an inner sense of peace. So we are able to practice that agility by slowing it down at will, being in the speed of a moment where there's a task to be done, and just even for 30 seconds, knowing that we have the agility to slow down at will. And so with the slow-mo flow, we practice being still and quiet for for 5 minutes. That's what we're going to do right now. Okay. And I'm grateful to get to practice this together. I don't know, for those of you who can hear my fan in the background, that's going to be my point of focus for the next 5 minutes, just the white noise sound. Maybe you can find sort of a white noise sound or some sound in the distance. And if your mind starts to speed up and be productive, have it quiet by focusing on that just white noise sort of sound. did it. We did it. We were still and quiet for 5 minutes. And even if you were only still and quiet in your mind for 10 seconds, that's awesome. It's all building on each other. I promise, our brains can't help but change. We just keep exercising them, and they become really agile. It's like riding a bike. Really is like riding a bike. So let's take 3 solidarity breaths to celebrate any moment in there that we were still and quiet, and we chose that stillness and quiet. May we open ourselves up to a day that surprises and delights us. May we notice all the delights that float into our world. May we be looking for those delights. Thank you for being here. I love having this positive point of focus to start my day in connection with y'all, in solidarity for choosing joy, leveraging neuroscience, and transforming our lives. Together we will rise. A rising tide lifts all ships. Up we go. I'll see y'all tomorrow.